Crazy coincidence, this boat was his boat. Woo-wee! Look at that. Look at that shiny boat. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video on our 2014 Ranger RT188 super speed bass boat that we picked up at Copart. In the last video, you did see me and CC run this sucker up to the shop. We welded up the aluminum. We even backed it off into the lake. This sucker's ready to float. But before we can do that, before we can do any of that, we got to get it polished up. This aluminum is a little bit dull. It's got a pretty hard water line on this boat. So what we're going to do today, we're going to bust out the 2000 grit sandpaper. We're going to bust out the polish. We're going to polish this aluminum up. We're going to maybe put a little wax on the sides to get it really shining. As you know, when we picked up this boat from Copart, it was missing the front and rear pedestal seats. So we were looking for some to fit our need. We found some on Amazon that were really close. We wanted, matter of fact, we went ahead and ordered the ones off of Amazon because they were so close to what we thought we could live with. We were looking on the marketplace, and these seats right here just popped up. We couldn't believe it. We messaged the folks that had them. We got a super deal in them. They were only $150. They're the official Ranger boat seats. They look really good. There is a crazy story behind it, because when we messaged the folks and we met them, I asked them what kind of boat it came off of. They described it. Crazy coincidence, this boat was his boat, and these seats was made for this boat, and they went right back on this boat for $150. You just can't beat it. We canceled our Amazon order. We got the Ranger seats. We're super happy, super excited. So let's stop talking and let's start working. Alrighty guys, we've been going like crazy polishing on this boat. It has not been that difficult to do. It just hadn't been that bad to do because this boat's not very old. But we did do like a 3-step, 4-step process. So the first thing we did is we hit it with some 2000 grit sandpaper, just kind of wet sanded that. Got rid of the water line, just, you know, wet sanded it really smooth. And then we took this ultimate cutter here. And this stuff is good for, like, you know, it'll actually take out 1000 and 1200 grit scratches. So it's pretty abrasive. So then we jumped on that. And then after that, we hit it a couple of times with the Mother's aluminum polish. And it took it to a absolute mirror finish. I mean, it looks absolutely amazing. It's exactly what we wanted. We said from the beginning we were going to make this boat look as close to brand new as absolutely possible. This is one step closer. So what we're going to do now, we're going to take the buffer while we got it out, the high-speed buffer. We're going to hit it with the ultimate polish up on the paint. We're going to get that really smooth. We're going to come back with a coat of wax on the whole thing to make it, just to protect it for the summer, because we're getting ready to hit the lake with it. So let's stop talking and let's start waxing. Alrighty guys, man, we have been working. Check it out. I mean, this polish is making this boat look phenomenal. We got the aluminum on the boat looking like a mirror. We got the blackish gray looking like a deep lagoon. It is shining like a new penny. We can't get over how good that it looks. It took a little bit of time to get it done, but this boat is looking like a brand new boat. And that's what we're after. We got these beautiful seats that are OEM for the boat. The boat seems to be happy that we put the seats back on it. We spent a little bit of time taking the cup holder out, fishing the wire through and putting the transducer on. Back there at the back, we got a plate back there. We can just bolt it down right here and make it look really good. In the next video, we hope to maybe get the fish finder set up. We had our eye on a trolling motor. It was a Motor Guide X3, 70-pound thrust, 24 volt, but we missed that boat. We couldn't get there quick enough. They sold it to somebody else, but that's okay. I do think that this is gonna be a wrap for today's video, guys. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Real Orange Wires. If you like this video and you like this content, drop us a like, leave us a comment down below. Until next time, we're out.